Hey friends, if you wish to download Realtek Audio Console for Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So we will search for Realtek Audio Console and hit enter. Okay. Now as for this Realtek Audio Console, go to the Realtek website, not any other website. Wait till it loads. Scroll down and click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. Check the box corresponding to it and select download the file. And then you can type this and then click on submit for the verification. Okay, we'll have to type it again. Okay, now the download starts. You need to save it as a file in the download section. It is a very heavy file. Once it is downloaded, you can run the installer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.